Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharmy Veetu Samayal. Today the Bethel Manna menu is strawberry smoothie, and I'm going to add some cherry and blueberry. Let's make it. I have added some strawberry and cherry and blueberry. I'm going to add more strawberries. Let's close it. I'm going to add some honey for the sweet. Okay, that's more than enough. Okay, I'm going to open this. Aha, look at that, my son. Do you like this?
Looks amazing. The color looks beautiful.
Yes, let's see. This is called
Strawberry with blueberry and cherry smoothie.
With honey.
Yep.
Right. Taste it. How is it?
Nice. Whoa, that's beautiful. Delicious taste.
Sparkling in the tongue, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, guys. This is the smoothie I made. I'm going to pour this into the glass.
I'm thirsty, Mom. Can I have a smoothie?
Yes. Let me pour this. Ooh. Look at that. How beautiful color is that?
Can't wait to have this. Thank you, Mom.
Really nice.
Hi guys. This is the finished product. The nice strawberry with blackberry and cherry. We mix it in here, all in these cups. Look at that beautiful color. And I made this nice jelly with other fruits in it, like strawberries and raspberries. They look amazing. If you're wondering how I got these glasses, I took an old pasta sauces bottle and used those for the jelly, left it over for 1 hour in the fridge, and voila, your beautiful jelly has come out. And see, all these fruits were being used. And make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Sharmy Veetu Samayal. God bless you all.